With so many of these lots sold, we're sure you'll be happy to see this update on progress at Bisonella Development's Lara Lakes Estate. Following our mid-August announcement of works being awarded to Wellam Constructions, the team have made significant headway. As you can see, the shape of the estate is already starting to show. Within sight of the majestic Yuyangs, Lara Lakes is ideally positioned in the Lara West Development Precinct, at the corner of Windermere Road and O'Halloran's Road. With the first 3 stages almost sold out, land in Stage 4 is expected to be released soon. Taking cues from our national award-winning Grand Lakes Estate, Lara Lakes Estate will include 6.7 hectares of open space, including wetlands, extensive walking trails and 2 playgrounds. There will also be land set aside for a future primary school and community centre. Lara Lakes Estate will also feature 75 lake and/or park frontage lots, offering the opportunity to create a home with a real difference. Land in the estate will range from 350 square metres all the way up to 750 square metres. Follow the links to get in touch and stay tuned to our socials as we continue to bring you updates of Bisonella Development's Lara Lakes Estate.